Now let's dive in. Now we will try to read a review, give the same review to Claude. Claude will execute the review through Blender, and it will change the status of the task in review and upload the file to review. So, as you can see here, you can find active task that is called skeleton task. The department is lighting, the task is in progress. If we check the details and we see the annotation that we get from our reviewer, we can see removed his right arm, and then we have this review about changing the light to red. Let's go now on our Blender file. As you can see, we can see the render view of this skeleton. This is a free model. And let's go to the Claude desktop app. Remember, you have to enable the Blender connector inside the Claude. So I will copy and paste this prompt that I already prepared. I will read the prompt that is, "Hey Claude, can you check the status of my task skeleton scene and analyze the review that was given to me? After that, open the Blender file on the Spirit storage and complete the task. Then make a render and save it on the folder," and I gave to him the path, "and call it tube.png. After all this, save the Blender file and update the task as in review and upload the tube.png. So let's wait Claude doing his job. I will speed up now. Okay, so Claude finished his job. As you can see, we can see that in Blender there is the new light that is red and there is no harm on the right side. If we go on Spirit in the browser, we can find that the task is in review now. And if we go to reviews, we will find that the task now is as a review. We can give the review, and the review that we will give will be on the 2.png image that we uploaded using Claude. So all the pipeline from reading the review to understanding the review to open the file inside the storage and open it in Blender and execute the task to give the review and the review file to our reviewer, it's entirely made by an agent.